Hello dear students, today I will start chapter 6 which is exponent. First of all, you should know what is exponent and what is the meaning of exponent, and then only we will start the exercise. So before we go for the exercise, let us talk about the exponent. In exponent, mostly we used to talk about the power. In exponent, mostly we will talk about the power that which you have already studied in previous chapters, like chapter 3 and chapter 2 and chapter 3. Now, what is the meaning of power? Again, let me to remind you that suppose if it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is 4 times here. 2 how many times? 4 times. This is called normal, usual form. Okay, this is called what? Usual form. But when you write in exponential form, what we have to write is what? 2. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write 4. 2 to the power 4 or 2 raised to the 4. 2 to the power 4. That is called in exponential form. Okay. So what is the exponent of 2 is 4. Exponent of 2 is what? 4. Or power of 2 is what? 4. That means I hope you understood that what is exponent. So this 4 is called exponent. And this 2 is called what? Base. Okay? Base. Similarly, suppose if it is given 3 by 2 to the power 6, or let us talk 2. 3 by 2 to the power 2. Okay, 3 by 2 to the power 2. So 3 also 2 times and the 2 also 2 times. So what we have to do is what? We need to write 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Sometimes it will be given in the form of exponent and we need to break it in the form of normal, okay, usual form. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 how many times? 2 times. That's why we need to write 3 by 2, 3 by 2, okay. Now, and I hope it is clear about the base, okay. 6 to the power 9. 6 is called base and the 9 is called exponent. Okay. These are the basic that you should know before you go for the exercise. So, like in exercise 6.1, question number 1. Exercise 6.1, question number 1 says that express these numbers in the form of exponential. So Roman number 1 is question 125. Okay. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is express 125. It is 125. So 125 we need to write in exponential form, in the form of power. So as I told you, 125 we need to count how many times. So 125 is only 1. Okay. That's why we need to go for the factors to take out the LCM. So like 125. As I told you, if the unit place is 5, always start with the 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. So how many? Again 5 ones are 5. So how many 5 we are getting? That means in place of 125, in place of 125 we can write what? 5 into 5 into 5. In place of 125 we can write what? 5 into 5 into 5. With how many 5 we are getting? 3 5s. So 3 times. Now instead of writing so many times, we'll write only once. And how many 5 that will count? So 1 2 3, so to the power 3. That means solution is what? In exponential form, 125 we have written in the form of exponent, which is what? 5 to the power 3. Okay, this question number 1. Let us do question number 2. Question number 2 is what? 243. Question number 2 is 243. So 243 is equal to how many? Again same thing, we need to go for the LCM. So 243. When we go for the 243, as you can see here, if unit place is 3, odd number, will try with odd number 3, because first odd number is what? 1, but 1 we are not counting it, we will take from 3. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So how many 3 we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5. So simply we can write 3 to the power how many times? 5 times. This is the solution for Roman number 2. Okay. Similarly, try to finish all the Romans which is given in question number 1. It is very easy. But let us do, I will just do it for you, question number 5. So question number 5 is given minus 8 by 27. So we can write that minus 8 by 27. So it is double. So we need to take out the LCM of 8 also and 27 also. So first we will take out for 8. So 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now we will take out for 27. So 27. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 2 also 3 times and 3 also 3 times. So we can write what? 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay. Now here minus is there, so everywhere you need to write minus. Okay, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. But if you take minus 2 by 3 and 1 you take minus 2 by 3 and count it. So 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 times. So 3. 3 times, so 3. Similarly, try to finish all the Romans. Okay. Thank you.